Hey guys, it's Mike at Narc Customs. The video today is not of the Jeep, it's not of the cart, and it's not of Stanley. I know you can't believe it. Those are like the only things we seem to work on lately. All right, it is a Turbo LS notchback Mustang that basically was loading on the trailer, and the ramp slipped and it bent the front tube on the front tubular, I don't know, core support area. So fixed the lower radiator support for those guys, for Philip and his wife Danielle. And then we're flipping over. Mike Quain came over with the 87 Starion that had, he needed a harness bar to go compete in an SCCA rally cross event down in Clinton, Arkansas. So we knocked that out, so I'll put all that on this video. Thanks. Now, I'm always looking out for that other person that's like coming right in where we're at, trying to get there, trying to do good quality YouTube content. So we're going to start a new part on these videos where I'm going to give a shout out to those channels. And this video's channel will be Family Man Racing. Dude just came back from Rocky Mountain Race Week, and he's got Turbo LS 3000 GT, runs like 9-second quarter mile. I mean, it's a lot of fun. He took his boys with him. His whole series on Rocky Mountain Race Week looks awesome. I've actually been binging it inside while I'm working. So check out the channel. I'm going to put it up in the corner, whichever corner it is. And make sure you jump over there, subscribe to his channel. I think you'll really, really enjoy it. And obviously, we're all about family and fun. So, all right, now, promise, to the video. Guys, this is kind of why I am a hoarder. So I don't even know what these brackets went to, but these holes line up almost identical with these holes. So I'm basically going to come in the morning and I'll cut these off here, and then that gives me a spot to weld the top bar to, and then we'll just drop those holes in. All the radiator support stays the same width, and it gives us good stuff to weld to. So easy. All right, guys, this won't be the last you'll see of this car. Bursee is trying to put together well, he's not trying. He has all the parts except for his PTC converter for the Turbo 400 that's going to go behind this Turbo LS setup. So we are working on a plan of his, which has been 7 dudes. He wanted 7 days. Steven and I want 7 hours and 700 horsepower. So I think that would be a really cool video for you guys. Basically have everything lined up, laid out on the counter and on the floor, and then 7 dudes show up one morning, and then you go to the dyno or the track that night to make some passes. So anyways, again, this won't be the last time you see of this car. All right, on the Bursee video there, you see the day 1, day 2, day 3. Actually, I was working on that over a few days while I was working on the Jeep and the cart, putting some extra stuff on. So I figured I would throw all that in there. I wanted to show day 1, 2, 3 because I'm obviously wearing different clothes every time. So you didn't think I was going in changing clothes. The Mike Quain stuff, super cool car. It's an 87 Starion flat fender. He's upped the boost because he put a front mount intercooler on it. Those cars originally didn't have that, so it's got a front mount intercooler now, and so he turned the boost up, so it's making about 200 horsepower, which is kind of cool. In that car, I think it weighs 2,800 pounds or something like that. There's some pictures that I'm going to put right after this of his event. Super cool shots. He's also a photographer. We also had him sit down for the podcast while he was here, so that was a neat little interview. I'll link it down in the corner or down in the description so you can go to it. So, all right, thanks. Here we go. All right, guys. Just like the Foxbody there, this won't be the last time you see this car. we're going to help Mike get some other things set up. I've got some ideas on how to maybe keep. He said that he was having some issues with coolant temps while he is, on a session or whatever they call that in rallycross. So we're gonna work through some, maybe adding an electric fan to assist, or replacing the mechanical fan with an electric fan to run all the time. So this won't be the last time you see this car. I'm excited to have had it in the shop. It's really neat, and I'm really excited for you guys to hear Mike's podcast. So I'll link that in the description.
Did you give it a class? Actually, I didn't. I just had to grind up the wheel. That works. I've got handy with the grinder these days. I've seen else that cheers it up. That's no longer. Yeah, right. Come on. I want to do it. Yeah, let's do it. My welding. I tried myself. A little bit of gas. Yes, just you. I do it. I feel it. Just make it in. Yeah, more like push it up and stuff. That's fine. I'm gonna put one thing on the fire there. Just keep going. I didn't get it out of the okay, but then I kind of now get a burn hole in it, or it doesn't.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. You can find us everywhere, every day on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and then we post videos every Tuesday and Friday night here on our YouTube channel at 7 p.m. So, alright, thanks a bunch. I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe.